Hello.
Hi.
Lady with the beautiful earrings.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, how are you? How's today?
I'm good. I'm well. Thank
And
God.
I hope you're enjoying home
Definitely I
already.
am.
You are. That's
Yeah, I'm
good to
really
know.
enjoying it.
No. Okay, so I just want to have a very quick chat.
Okay.
First about why you chose AI.
Okay. And on why I choose AI, I have plenty perspective on that, but I will just narrow it to a personal experience that I had that made me actually feel like, okay, this is a do for me. It's a very interesting thing that I want to explore. So I basically back home I work with in aviation industry, and there is a lot of things that is I noticed that we need added this kind of automation to do for you in the job place, especially when it comes to we used to have a lot of bag, not spoilage. I'm talking so like embezzlement money. You understand, doing a business and you end up seeing that the business is not getting to the right place. You understand, the money that was supposed to pay maybe for excess baggage or some other thing. So, and you know that the owner of the owner of the work is not there to monitor some things. Even though there is a supervisor, sometimes they tend to team up. You understand. So I was just thinking, okay, if this some things are put in place, you understand, like some of these
Automation
things
of some
can be
steps.
yes, it can be like cut down, even if not to the lower to the low, like not at all, but at least to the lower minimum.
Yeah.
So I felt like okay, I started doing some my own research on how to explore. How can you put the bag and the weight is already getting to a system that you can't change it afterward and all that. So it becomes an interesting place. And also during the COVID-19, while I was just at home, I decided to do some exploring online. Okay, we have to stop work actually because and we are not paying. So you now feel like okay, if I have a second job doing, I might not actually pass through this kind of situation. So I started exploring online courses and all that. So that was when I popped into data analytics course, which I can still do from people from home. You understand? So apart from my work, I needed a second job
Job.
to add to what I'm currently doing, so that I can be able to ease up my cost of living and had enough more money to survive and all that. So that was why when I started doing my data analytics and it was right interesting, you understand. I felt like because I have a good mathematics background and I wanted to do more. So it was more easier for me, you understand, so to cope. So I just let me just use the word. I fell in love with the course, you understand, and I
Yeah.
knew that okay, from there is a higher version of it. You can do data science and all that. So when the opportunity came for me to further, because I want to be a master in my field, I want to actually have a broader in this thing. So I had to start exploring universities to like take up the course and be a master in it. So I'm talking too much.
No, you're not. You're not. I'm learning so much because I don't think I've spoken to anybody from the aviation,
Yeah.
sector. How did that journey lead you up to home?
Okay, okay. What actually, when I decided to further up my studies to be a master in my field, I started exploring to actually, I want to, instead of doing it in my environment, I wanted to like go out to other countries, you understand, because I knew that we'll not have the kind of sophisticated, look at, as I came here, I was very happy because what I'm saying, I knew that even if my head is blocked, I have to learn it. So the equipment in place that's going to make this journey
Facility.
learning very, very interesting and easy. You understand? So I started exploring. I had other options, but found we are trying to look for something accommodating, and I was particularly in concerned about the cost of living of the environment apart from the face. So I felt like other states are more congested and more people are trooping to that area, maybe because of their what entices them. But I was looking for somewhere I can stay and survive. So and how did it for me?
Yeah, I share a lot, of your experience, and
Yeah.
I agree totally to it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. This
Thank
has
you
been
too.
very enlightening. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you too.
Thank you.
Yeah.